with Braylon Allen. Smiling Braylon Allen celebrating number 5. Braylon, a big happy birthday to you in Parsons.
Revy's Wallen turning 5 years old this year. Revy is in Oswego, Kansas.
Everybody out at PCMS, make sure you socially distance and wish Miss Madison Pitts a happy 14th birthday. Go get him, Maddie.
And we've got a 17th birthday in Fort Scott. TJ Brown celebrating.
I was gonna sit on it. I was just gonna let TJ have his day. Kenzie Lane, a happy 26th birthday. That's a great picture, Miss Kenzie. And I want you to know that this comes with a happy birthday wish from your friend Katie. Kenzie is in Joplin.
All right, this next one's coming with birthday wishes from your fiance Nick, Mia, Georgiana, Abby, Luke, and Sarah, going out to Theresa Singleton, who's now celebrating the big 5-0 in Joplin.
We've got a 60th birthday for Miss Linda Morris. Linda, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, ma'am. She is in Chanute.
Cotton McDonald celebrating in Quapaw. Happy birthday, Cotton.
On to an anniversary where David and Jodi Russell, they are celebrating their 30th. Congratulations, David and Jodi. Marvelous wedding picture right there. Hey, I tell you what, Jodi's dress is to behold. And David's sporting that tux now. He's sporting it. That's awesome. They're in Carl Junction.
All right. And our very own Mr. Ty Parks is celebrating a birthday today.
Who that is?
Hey, guess what? Ty is the big 3-0 today. No,
So-
wait, no, he's not. That was on the other line. I don't know how old
Did
Ty
you
is.
just make that up?
It's a secret. I just made it up. I read it on the wrong line. My bad. I don't know how old Ty is. But what I do know.
You did. You honestly just made that up.
I did. We're going to say that he's 30. That's going to be a magical age. He will always
we
be
usually
30.
don't divulge employee ages.
Yeah, I know. Hey, but I do know that Ty is a brand new dad, and that is something very special for their family.
Tell you what, folks, you couldn't. I did that little one. You couldn't ask for a better person for a dad right there. That's awesome.
I was
Patty
hoping to have
Wagner,
baby
a happy
picture
birthday
there.
in West Mineral. Cindy Bishop celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Cindy, in Neosho. And Eric Hershey, his 56th birthday. Eric is in Joplin. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Where are we staying?